this isn't my shortcut.
No, but you'll see. This way is much better.
But it'll take us twice as long. No! Call's farm is way out of our way. I gotta get back across Crovens Creek and into the forest. Gordon, I heard you delivered all the cement for the ferry terminal at Normanby by yourself. That can't be true, can it?
It can, and it is. It was no small job, let me tell you. All the cement had to be delivered in one night, and no other engines were available. Well, everyone said it couldn't be done, but I said it's got
This is definitely the way to go.
Well, by that time, I had delivered only half the cement. It was almost morning. Time was running out, so I dug in and... What? Why are we in the forest?
These bricks have to be delivered as soon as possible. Well, we'll get to Normanby much faster this way.
We're not going to get there at all this way. We have to go the other way. I insist. Switching right.
Hey!
Brakes! Whoa! Oh, my brakes!
Whoa! Phew! Aha!
And, Thomas, wait!
See? We're crossing Quick Draw Bridge.
Yes, but we're crossing it in the wrong direction. And look, there's the big windmill. This is definitely the way to go.
No. You're thinking of the other windmill. Back into the forest is the way to go.
What are you doing?
I'm taking us the new way.
But this is not the right way.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Go left.
No, go right.
Huh?
Thomas, what are you doing over there? Whoa! Uh-oh. Oh, Thomas, I might need some assistance here.
I'm coming, Gordon! Hold on! Whoa! Whoa!
Stop wandering off like that.
I'm doing my best, Gordon! And we're back on track. Uh-oh.
Everything okay, Tom? Oh, the tracks are closed. Stop!
Phew! That was close!
It's not treasure. It's a monster.
Roar!
It's got big teeth, but it's not a monster. The paleontologist says it's a dinosaur.
What's a palonapotogolist?
Palonapotogolist, Diesel.
A paleontologist is a scientist who learns about dinosaurs by digging up their bones.
I love dinosaurs. This is so cool.
Oh, yes, and even cooler, they need some engines to deliver the bones to the Vickerstown Museum for the big new dinosaur exhibit.
Sounds like a job for the Biggest Adventure Club! Yeah! Hooray!
Guys, we have to go to the mine. Right now. There's bones.
Bones?
Dinosaur bones.
Dinosaur bones? Woohoo! Let's go!
Yeah!
Let's go!
Follow me!
How
Wait
fun!
for me! I love dinosaurs.
Me too. I'm Neosaurus. Hear me roar! Call me the Perseidactyl.
The Conoraptor will show you how it's done.
Thomas Rex has got this!
Let's go! See? The bones are right. Oh no! Gordon, the T-Rex is gone?
Gone? Someone better tell the paleolollipopolist.
The paleontologist dug them up from there and carefully arranged them for you over here. Now, everyone pick a car, but keep them in the order they are now.
Feet, tailbone,
Ribs!
and claws, head and jaws.
For the T-Rex to be put together properly, the paleontologists put these cars in this exact order. If you get out of order...
Got it! Dinosaurs, let's dino roar!
If you kids get out of order, T-Rex won't look right. Thomas? Thomas!
Feet, tailbone,
Ribs.
and claws, head and jaws. Feet, tailbone, ribs and claws, head and jaws. Stomp and bite and swipe and roar. Feet, tailbone, ribs and claws, head and jaws. Any minute now. Do you see him yet? Not yet.
Hey guys, did any of you see that the crossing arms?
Hold on, Thomas. He should be here any minute.
Oh right! Young Bao's coming today!
He's coming for the fireworks show tonight. I can't wait to see him. And that cool tiger painted on his side.
And hear his whistle that sounds like a tiger. Just like that. That must be him.
Avast, landlubbers! There's a passenger on board who seems to be eager to see ya.
Electric made it!
Roar!
Hey, everyone! I'm so happy to be back with you all in Sodor. And I brought a surprise for the fireworks show tonight. All the way from China.
Cool! That's awesome! Can you tell us again how you earned your totally cool and sort of scary tiger decal? Please! Tell us!
Oh, it wasn't such a big deal. I was just trying to help out.
Come on!
With axle grease on top?
Okay. It was for the time I rescued Annie and Clarabelle?
Annie and Clarabelle?
I thought you rescued an engine from an ice cliff with a snowplow.
No! James is pulling Annie and Clarabelle this way. But the crossing arm is stuck, and they don't see Gordon coming. We have to stop them.
Oh yeah. Guys, I was trying to say before.
Gordon! Gordon!
Huh? Great gears! Thank you, young Bao. Nicely done.
Whew! Thank you, young Bao.
So electric!
You weren't even scared.
What's wrong, Thomas?
Well, I should have been the one to have saved the day. I saw the crossing arm was stuck, and I was gonna tell someone, but...
Young Bao is our hero.
Did you see that?
Oh, yes.
So you had a chance to be brave and missed it?
Yeah, I wish I could have shown young Bao how brave I really am.
Well, you may not be the bravest engine on Sodor, but you did get to see young Bao bravely leap to the rescue.
Well, I would have too. You really are the bravest engine. Well, we'd better get to our delivery so we don't miss the fireworks tonight. Bye, young Bao.
I'm so glad you're okay. But you're a little sticky.
Hey! Maybe we can use the sticky goop to fix the bouncy castle. Great idea, Kana. But let's fill the castle first.
Oh, me!
Here you go, Percy. And while you do that, I'll get some goop for the patch.
Chugga chugga woohoo!
Awesome!
And now to clean you off, it's whooshin' time.
Thank you, Kana.
Look at that. All good as new. Well, almost all.
Wait, maybe we could fix the Calliope with goop, just like we fixed the bouncy castle. Wow, we did it! I'm sorry, Calliope. I really loved how you went. Yeah, I miss it. I really like the... And how about the...
No way. The best was the...
Hey, everyone, do that again.
Do what again?
Make all those musical sounds. Okay. Wow! Together, we sound a lot like the Calliope. If we work together, I bet we can fill in at the carnival.
I am so happy to see you. I was starting to worry something terrible had happened. What's this?
We hit a few snags along the way.
Oh, don't worry. A bouncy castle is as good as it bounces. And this one still got it. Clever Patch. No! No! Not the Calliope. How did this happen? I'm sure I just heard it playing.
Actually, he heard us working together. Let's show him, everyone.
Harold to Thomas and Percy. Howdy, fellas. Over.
Harold! Harold the helicopter? Wow, it's so cool to see you.
Roger that. Right back at you. Over.
First Mate Percy, we're coming to a fork in the ocean. Let's go left, toward the cows.
I think he really wants you to look at them cows.
Yes.
Thomas and I are delivering a submarine.
The left fork. We're going toward the cows.
They are nice cows. Well, I got a delivery at the docks. Over and out.
Bye, Harold. See you soon. Aw, can't hear me over his rotors.
Huh? Percy? Ow! Are you okay, Percy?
Sorry, Captain. Couldn't hear you over Harold's rotors.
Yeah, I couldn't hear you either. His rotors are loud. Harold is amazing, though.
Absolutely. But you need a way to communicate so we'll understand each other if it gets loud again.
Even if it's loud, our whistles are louder. How's this? 1 peep will mean yes, and 2 will mean no.
Great.
And 1 long peep or toot for faster, and 2 for slower.
Right. Got it.
And 4 quick blasts if you want to go super fast, and a blast and a half if you want to go like a little bit faster, and also 3 quick peeps if you want to stop. And then again.
That's a lot to remember.
So, you good?
Well...
Great! Let's get back on track. First Mate Percy, let's go fast through that tunnel. 1 long peep.
Okay, that was 1 long peep. That means go faster.
He understood me. Okay, let's do this. The bridge is up. We need to stop. That's 3 peeps.
Huh? What did 12 peeps mean?
Oh no, maybe Percy can't hear me on the other side of the mountain. I gotta try something else. Oh.
Huh? Oh, fun! Thomas sent up a stop signal. A stop signal? Stop!
Phew.
Dum-de-dee-dee-dum, another quiet day on the river, Thomas? So quiet.
I guess delivering the sailboat to the farm wasn't a total disaster.
Yeah, the cows sure do like it.
Sorry, guys. You're gonna have to move.
Okay, so before we went to the farm, we hit the rough tracks and had to slow down.
Good catch. Let's go fast.
And by fast, I mean really, really slow.
Backwards day!
No, it's so bad if you go slow.
Yeah, I mean, no. Busted bolts! The switch is still set to take us back the long way.
Then we have to flip the switch so we can stay on the main line.
How are we gonna do that backwards? And with the tree on your tracks.
I've got an idea. Got it! Now for the switch. Wow, that was totally awesome! Now we're track on back. Backwards day! Just in time for the sunset cruise. Now where are the cows?
Come on, guys. Let's move.
All off board, cows.
You're home on the range.
Well, looks like you fixed everything. Bad job. Yeah, by which I mean good job, of course, because it's a backwards day. Well, I suppose you can have fun and work at the same time,
I'm glad we got everything fixed, but I'm also glad backwards day is over. I'm beat.
Me too. Good morning, Thomas.
Good morning, Percy. Backwards day. Come on!
Our passengers have never seen anything like this before.
Cool. Awesome.
We are almost to the seashore. No more dark tunnels. Nope. Nothing but beautiful scenic countryside.
Huh?
The bridge is up.
And no electricity to bring it down.
What will we do? Kana, dear, can you do something?
Kana, are you able to connect to the bridge like you did to the tunnel? Electric idea. Let's find out. I can plug in and power the bridge. No power, no problem. Now that was electric, Kana. Let's roll. Kana? Is something wrong? The bridge is down, but now so is my battery. I'm out of power. It's okay. Go on to Vigarstown. I'll be fine.
Grab on, Kana. Everything's connected, right? Now you're connected to me, and I'm going to Vigarstown.
Way to go, Perce! On the left is the Vigarstown Lighthouse. It's dark right now, but when it's lit up, it's...
Spectacular!
incredible!
Just beautiful. Thank you. We definitely got our scenic route as promised, Thomas.
Well, the electricity's all connected, but so are we. We all did it together.
Yeah.
I'm sure this tour will be the highlight of their visit. Oh, Annie, I made a pun.
Oh, you did! Good one, Clary.
Hi there. I'm all charged up and ready to go. Come on. Why don't we all connect for the ride home?